When I started my journey in 2019, I was at 58, and everybody was talking about 80s and all because government is making very strict for everybody. So like 80 is compulsory nowadays. So that's why I started. But I have a lot of ups and downs because once I started at one point and then stop it, like I completely gave up. But then I used to watch your stories on internet, and that kept me motivated. And then I started again, and I was being regular in the class. That's why I cleared my exam now.
Hey everybody, Varun here from our Parramatta branch. Guys, very excited to have Sumit with me. He has cleared his PT exam with 8 each, but this video is not a normal one. His story is very inspiring. Very first attempt he took, when he took the exam for the very first time, he scored 58 overall, and now he has got 3 90s and 8 in writing as well. Congratulations Sumit, very well done. You started off from a point, if a student gets 58 in the first attempt, they don't even think about getting 8 each.
Yes.
Right? They feel like, nah, this is not my cup of tea. What motivated you? What kept you going on, going from 58 to a perfect 90? What was your motivation behind that?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank you, Language Academy. And the thing is, when I started my journey in 2019, I was at 58, and everybody was talking about 80s and all because government is making very strict for everybody. So like 80 is compulsory nowadays. So that's why I started. But I have a lot of ups and downs because once I started at one point and then stop it, like I completely gave up. But then I used to watch your stories on internet, and that kept me motivated. And then I started again, and I was being regular in the class. That's why I cleared my exam now.
That's right, that's right. So it's very important to be regular in the class, right?
Yes.
Earlier you were not really regular. You used to go to work, you used to spend 2 hours, or you used to come one day a week, right? But last 10 days I have seen you sitting from 10 in the morning till 8 in the evening in the lab. And that was the game changer, I believe, right? You spent 10 days and they were worth it. Why do you think, when you came to the lab, it helped you, whereas when you used to practice at home, you were not really getting the score? What was the difference when you came to the lab?
Yeah. So like everybody can prepare at home, but we can't get feedback from the tutors. But when we prepare at home, we know we are doing everything right, but according to other person, it's not right. So the tutors can find our problems, and then they give us a feedbacks that which area we need to focus more. So basically, I was liking in reading always. So I was always focusing on the blanks and all, but I don't know that the reading marks came from the speaking and the read aloud, and the other sections is very little sections. But I would say if I'm people like me who are standing at 78, it can be game changer.
That's right.
So the listening summary, which helped me a lot, it just give you three marks. But yeah, obviously, a person like me is 78, then obviously it is more. So that's why it's very important.
Because what happens when we are aiming for 80, we tend to ignore things which are not that important. I see a lot of students do ignore MCQ multiple, MCQ single, but in your last attempt, I remember you were focusing on each and everything, because if you're missing by 1 or 2 points, each and everything is important.
Yes.
Right? It's not like you're just focusing on things which are very important and just ignoring the things which are only going to contribute 1 or 2 points. Yes, even though they won't really contribute a lot, but they do contribute, and each and everything is important, guys. You have taken a number of mock tests as well, right? You used to get the feedback. I remember you used to discuss with me. How important are mock tests? Why do you think a person should take mock tests before he goes for the exam?
Yeah, so mock test will give you real exam scenario. So when you give the mock test, particularly in Language Academy, it's very difficult, so it prepares you for worst. So when you go for exam, it will be very easier for you to crack the exam. So yeah, mock test is very important.
So basically you'll have a feel of the real exam environment.
Yes.
And you'll get used to it, because when you take the mock test twice or thrice, you're not panicked, right? You will not be nervous when you go and sit for the actual exam. And it's very important to be confident when you go and sit for the exam, because if you go and sit for the exam and you are a bit nervous, you won't be able to perform. And if you're not able to perform better in the read aloud, things can be difficult. Sumit, any final piece of advice for people out there preparing for the exam or sitting on 6 or 7 each, they think they can't do it? Any advice for them, please?
So first of all, I believe, because I seen myself that be honest to yourself first of all, and be regular. And this is very serious exam actually. You can't go and sit for the exam. Just go for the exam when you are fully prepared. So yeah, practice a lot and it will help you for
That's
sure.
right, that's right. Staying honest to yourself is very important, right? You were very honest to yourself, especially in the last 10 days, and those 10 days were a game changer,
Yes.
right? You were here for complete 10 days, and that is something which I believe is the main reason behind your success.
Yeah.
Because you got the feedback, you came to know what is important, what not, and by the end of 10 days, you were completely in the flow. You were in the flow that yes, if this thing comes up, how I have to tackle it, and you were having a clear idea of what are the things which are important and what not. Guys, very important, you are honest, you stay truthful to yourself, do not just give yourself excuses, do not delay it, and make sure you practice a lot. Practice is the key. If he has done it, I have done it, you can do it as well. But make sure you're very dedicated, you practice a lot, and then be regular. Being consistent is the key. That's it from this video, guys. I'll see you very soon. Make sure you do not give up and keep on practicing. Thank you, guys.